So you're new to real estate investing, and you want to know how to market yourself so that everybody pays attention, so you get all the attention you need, right? Great. Today we're going to talk about that in this video. I'm Lyle Leeds with DFWtop.com. That's designed for winners to optimize profitability. Today we're talking about marketing tips for newbie real estate investors. Newbie real estate investors means you have less than a year's worth of experience, or you have less than 3 deals under your belt. You're still a noob, okay? So let's talk about first off what people tell you. You go to these courses, you buy these guru courses, I call them, because they do their little thing. And they're going to tell you, just go online and go to all these groups and put in there, I'm building my cash buyers list. Please give me your email address, right? That's what they tell you to do. But I want to tell you that's not the right thing to do. As a matter of fact, when you do that, you're going to get a lot of spam messages, a lot of scammy things, because people are going to give you email addresses that are trying to get your information. You're going to get a lot of spammy messages, people who are trying to get your information rather than give you information. Think about it. If I'm going to give somebody $500,000, am I going to be on some random Facebook group hoping somebody will put their thing out there so I can give you my email address? Probably not. People don't like to be on those lists. I'll tell you, as a real estate investor, I do not like to be on those lists. I don't like to be on those lists because all I get is spam, spam, spam. These people are sending me deals that are horrible deals. I want to get to know a person. I want to build a relationship. So a better tactic on social media, instead of just posting, I'm building cash buyer list, number one, get a contract. Get something under contract, then put it out there. Hey, I'm in Dallas. I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Is anybody buying in this specific area of the town? Put the zip code, the specific area. Do a video. Get on there just like I'm doing here. Put your video up, but get it in front of the house, even better, and talk about it. Don't show the address, because show the address in the house, people can see where it is, and they might try to scalp you and get the deal out from underneath you. You got to be careful about people. There's a lot of scammy people in the real estate investing world, but I'm trying to protect you there. Anyway, do a video in front of a house or maybe behind the house and say, hey, I've got this house under contract. Here's what's coming up. I'd love to talk to you more about it. Direct message me or give them your phone number. Let them contact you. Now, on that note, make sure you're using a phone number that's not your direct cell phone number, but it goes to your cell phone number. Don't do Google Voice, because Google Voice can be marked as scammy as well. So find a good, solid phone number. Contact your cell phone company. Use an old cell phone and get a new phone. Sometimes they'll add a number on for free even. I know we're with T-Mobile. My wife and I have a phone, but they'll give us a third line for free, just for being part of the purpose. They're trying to get you to buy more phones and all that kind of stuff. So get a phone number other than yours and give them your phone number. Make it seem like you're approachable. Make it seem like you're professional. Talk specific and clearly on those videos so you make sure you're getting information out. Make sure your social profiles, all of them, are consistent. Make sure it's specific. Make sure it sets you up as a real estate investor. Don't just say, my name, real estate investor, call me. Be specific. I work in Dallas. I work in California. I work in New York. I work in this specific area. I buy houses between this amount. Be specific about what you do. I do multifamilies of 7 units or up in the Fort Worth area. Be very specific. The more specific your profiles are, and what I mean by that is your about section, the bio section, you want to make that clear. The little banner image at the top, make that very clear. And your profile image should be you in a professional photo. If it's some photo somebody took on their cell phone, it's probably not going to be a good enough photo. You want to take it one step up, do a good headshot. You can get somebody to do that good with a cell phone. Most of the time, just little selfies, don't do that. Make it a professional image. You want to be seen as a professional. So the key to marketing as a newbie real estate investor is see yourself as professional. Get a good headshot. Make sure your banner image is really good. You can go to canva.com and you can create your banner image up there really nice and neat. As a matter of fact, you want to join our group. I've got a group where I'm teaching people how to do Canva for marketing. You can go to facebook.com/groups/Canvaneers, CANVANEERS, Canvaneers. Hopefully I'll put it on the screen here. Go to that group and they'll teach you some little neat little tricks you can use to start setting up your banner image. Make sure those are all in place, and then your next step would be to do a website, and I have a whole nother video about whether you need a website as a real estate investor. Personally, I think you do, so I'm giving away the punchline, but you want to find out why on that video. So anyway, make sure you're posting stuff that's showing you as a professional, not somebody that's just throwing things out there. Be very specific about what you buy, how you buy it, and if you're trying to get people to invest in your deals, or you're trying to get people to do money or JV with you with that kind of thing, make sure you have a specific path that they're going to go through. If you just say, call me if you want to invest with me, that's not going to cut it. Here's my form so I can look at your criteria as a real estate investor so I can best match properties to you. See how that sounds so much more professional? You can probably stop this video, go back, rewind that, type that up, and use that in your videos, because that's going to help you very, very much. Set up professional profiles, make sure your branding's there, make sure your headshots look really good on your profile images, make sure it's specific to your target audience. I don't want to see a banner image that has, I buy houses, give me your money, and buy houses from me. Don't do that. Be one specific area at a time. Matter of fact, good thing about Facebook, you can set up multiple pages. You have one profile, set yourself up as a professional on your profile, but you can set up pages where I buy houses is one page, I sell houses is another page, 2 different areas for 2 different categories of people. That'll help you out a little bit. So hopefully those are some tips that'll get you started. Throw videos out there so people see you're a real person, not a scammer, and don't just do blanket posts on social media. You can say, I'm getting started in real estate investing. If you know anybody selling a house, again, specific. If you know anybody selling a house in the East Dallas area, make sure you're specific with that, because the more specific you are, the more people can help you. Because think about it. If I say, hey, I buy houses, well, where do you buy houses? I can't think of anybody. There's all these people. But if you say, I buy houses on this specific block in this specific area, I'm like, do I know anybody who lives in that area? Oh, so-and-so lives near that area. Now I can think of someone because it's specific to that area. Okay, I kind of rambled a little bit on the end there, but I want to make sure you understand. Set up professional images, be specific about what you want and how you're running your business, and run your business like a business. If you run your real estate investing like a business, you're going to get so much more value, so much more input. So you can go watch a video. I've got a video, it'll be up on the little tag things. I've got a video specifically about how to run your business, your real estate investing as a business. Again, I'm Lyle. I'm a business coach, and I work with DFWTop.com, which is designed for winners to optimize profitability. If I can be of any help, click on that page, click and schedule with me. I'd love to have a conversation with you, just see if I can get you started or help on the right path. If you need help specifically with marketing, let's have a conversation. We'll powwow. I'll give you some ideas. You can run with them, or you can hire me if you want to. That's not what this video is about. This video is help get you on the path, because ultimately you're a DIYer. That's why you're on YouTube, right? Okay. All right. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.